Hello there again, Shaler area. One of the features in Google Docs that I think is very beneficial for both you as a teacher when you're starting to create your own resources in class, and also for students who are submitting research to you or working with other students. On the bottom right-hand corner, we have this Explore option. Now, in the past, I was just using Google Docs as a way to substitute for Microsoft Word. And I just figured, oh, it's a great feature. Kids can be working on the same documents. The collaboration is great, but I didn't really get past that basic adaptation and feature. So one of the things that I really enjoy um, is knowing that this Explore option is at the bottom here. And when you open it up, you can start searching online and inside your own personal Google Drive for anything. And let's say a student is researching lions. And so let's just say lions are awesome. Okay. And in our Explore option, we can just simply type in lions. And what's going to happen is you're going to get all kinds of things, whether it's from Wikipedia, clubs, scholarly articles that pertain to lions anytime it came up. And so, as we're looking to see how awesome are lions, and maybe we need to cite this source somewhere that said they're awesome, we can click from our Explore option. Just we can click on a link, a new page opens up, and we could read through an article all about lions. And if there's information in here that oh yeah, I can use this in my research or my paper, and this will help present an argument, I can come back and type up what I've learned. And you see these little quotation marks, we can cite this as a footnote directly inside the page. And there is an option where we can set this up as MLA, APA, or Chicago. And if we go with just, a basic MLA footnote, when we come back through, if we click right here, we'll see that there is a footnote, and at the bottom of the page, there's our citation. And what I really like about this feature is instead of worrying about kids plagiarizing, the work is done for them. There's a direct link exactly where they cited that source from that you can go right back in and say, this doesn't sound right. I need to check this source, and you can see where they pulled it from. The other nice thing about this is if I can go to an image, I can come back into my document and I can just select an image of a lion and I can insert that right into my document. And again, the nice thing is with that image inside Google Docs, which I think most of us are aware of, it will give you exactly where they pulled that image from. If we have anything inside our Google Drive, we can actually, again, anything that came up that was close or pictures, all of those things will pop right up from our Google Drive and we can insert those as well. So it's a very easy search feature, but like I said, I think as we are creating our own resources as teachers and as students are providing research to us on what they've learned, just having the ability to cite the stuff properly and more efficiently and avoiding that fear of plagiarizing and if I did it wrong, did I do it right? That's now been eliminated all by this one feature. So I hope you guys will start using this option, and I hope your students, if they aren't aware of this Explore option, you can show them and they'll start using that as well. If you have any questions, you can always send me an email and I will get back to you as soon as possible.